and let's see if this works. I'm going to put it right here. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. Let's see. Nope, didn't work. Alright, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going over a product that I got off Amazon. It's a suction cup mount for the car. I'm going to use it to mount my Insta 360 in the car for like when I do trips and stuff, so I can take videos inside the car, drive around town and stuff like that. So if this is something that you're interested in, the link will be in the description below. Like I said, I got it off Amazon. It's called Telesin, and I think I only paid like 22 bucks for it. But anyway, let me flip the camera around and open up the box and see what's inside. All right, let's see what's in the box. All right. So you do have a mount for your phone. Oh, mount for your phone. Okay. Yep, screw. Whatever you call that. Some cleaning wipe. All right. Let's open this up. Bam, bam. There you go. This can go in there like that. All right. Instructions. All right, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of my GP4 Ulanzi attachments here, because I have that on my 360. And then all I have to do is take my 360 and whoop, right? All right, maybe I should spin this around this way though. All right, that way. Right there like that. And then I can take my 360 off, bring it like that, boom. All right, looks good. Now let's see how it works in the car. All right, let's see if this works here. I'm gonna peel this off, peel off the plastic off the bottom, and let's see if this works. I'm gonna put it right here. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. Let's see. Nope, didn't work. Nope, that didn't work either. Let's see, push down. Nope. I wonder if it's gonna be one of those. Okay, it sticks to the window.
A few moments later.
I don't know. Let's see if this works. Let's turn the camera on. I don't know. Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See if this works.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right. So I'm trying to put it on. I put it on the windshield again, but this time I put it downwards down there. See what it looks like, and if that picks up any sound. Let's see. I don't like that it doesn't stick to the dashboard like this, like my phone holder does. All right, I'm gonna see what the video looks like, and I'll go from there. All right, so I'm trying to put it on. I put it on the windshield again, but this time I put it downwards down there and have it angle right there. So let's see if that works or not. See what it looks like, and if that picks up any sound. All right, I forgot one more thing. I forgot about if I'm going to use this, keep this plugged in. So I ran a plug to it there. Ran it down to my USB down here on my dash. and see if this charges while I record like this. Alright, just wanted to see if this works. Alright, I have this plugged in. So let's see. Alright, I forgot one more thing. I forgot about if I'm going to use this, keep this plugged in. So I ran a plug to it there. Ran it down to my USB down here on my dash. And see if this charges while I record like this. Alright, just wanted to see if this works. Well, I'm not too happy with this suction cup thing, mount. I wish it would stick to the dashboard like my phone mount one does. It sticks great to the windshield, but that's about it. It doesn't stick to any other part, doesn't stick to the dash because it's kind of leatherish, soft. I have it on the windshield. It is what it is. We'll see how some videos come out when I take one, driving. But I wish it stuck to the dash so the camera would be straight up like this. I have it, on the windshield, and then I have the camera pointed at an angle. But we'll see how it goes. But if this is something that interests you, the link will be in the description below. Like I said, it was like $22. I wouldn't recommend it unless you're looking to mount it on the windshield. It does stick on the windshield real good, but if you're trying to stick it to your dash, you might better have get something different. Even on the windshield part where there's a little, a little black. What the hell is it? It's around my little black area on the windshield. It's not just plain glass. It's got a little. It didn't want to stick there either. It fell right off. So it has to be right on the windshield. It has to stick to that. It's the only place I can get it to stick in this car. But it is what it is. $22. I wouldn't recommend you getting it. I'd look for something else. So I just wanted to put it out there. If this doesn't work out, I may try to purchase something else. $22. Oh well. I'll use it for what it is now. But anyway, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about this suction cup mount for your car? Whatever. I'm sure if you wanted to mount it outside on the car, it'll stick. Windshield will stick. But anything else, I don't think it's going to stick. Hard plastic, it might stick. But the dashboard, it did not want to stick because it's kind of got a soft touch to it. Didn't like it. It's kind of rubbery, soft, whatever. But anyway, it is what it is. So leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.